Hi those in YouTube, in the YouTube world. This is Steven Barlotti, personal trainer. Right now I'm over here in the heart of Civic Center, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about some shit I'm really pissed off about. The one thing I'm really pissed off about is how our healthcare system, our government, our food industry, our pharmaceutical industry doesn't give a shit about anybody in this country. Doesn't give a shit about anybody's health. And me, my biggest value is health, and that's why I even have this YouTube channel, because I want to expose America for what it is today on not giving a shit about people's health. And I want you to get empowered and learn everything you possibly can about your physiology, about health, about what you can do to stay healthy every day without having to resort to some type of magic bullet that's not out there, like getting a piece of some medication that may help you temporarily and mask some symptom that you may have. Let me tell you a few little things. Let me start first with the coronary artery calcium score. I'm going to talk to you first about that. There's a movie that's freaking fantastic. If you have a chance, watch this documentary. It'll change your life. It's called The Widowmaker. It talks about the history of the coronary artery calcium score, the CAC calcium score, and it actually was developed here in San Francisco. That's why I wanted to talk about it. Back in the 80s, scientists actually worked on it here in San Francisco and had this amazing scan that actually can show the calcification in your arteries. And what he did, he went out to Mayo Clinic to see if they would actually want to use it for their pet patients to detect, because it's actually got the best predictive value or best predictive power to show whether you're going to have a high likelihood of getting a heart attack in the future or have atherosclerosis. So this particular test was developed right here in San Francisco, and this great scientist went out to Mayo Clinic to see if they would actually use this particular test, and seemed like there's some people actually that were excited about it. But then when they went to upper management at the Mayo Clinic basically told him, you know what, we can't use this test, because then that means we're going to lose half our revenue from giving some of these heart patients drugs, and also giving them angiograms that actually are not as predictive as the calcium score. So in this particular case, just like I noticed in many cases with healthcare, with our food industry, and with the pharmaceutical industry, they are looking at profits over doing the right thing for people's health, and because they don't give a shit. And so if they don't give a shit, then I don't give a shit about them. That's not right. I'm not going to help them by going to their clinic or hospital and paying money to go see their doctors. I'm going to go see somebody that actually really cares about me. So that's number one. You can't rely on your doctors or on any hospital or medical clinic to have your best interest, because they don't. And I'm gonna expose them every day. I'm gonna put out new videos, at least a couple a week, that talk about different things that the healthcare industry, the food industry, and the pharmaceutical industry do to keep their profits high and keep you sick. And I'm going to tell you what you have to do and what you can do in order to be healthy without having to resort to these crazy medications that they want to put you on, or these crazy things they're trying to do to you. Anyways, just want to let you know about that. And then the second thing I wanted to let you know today was Monsanto, which is a company that sells Roundup. They got their ass sued, handed to them. They should be sued for a lot more than this, though. There's a groundskeeper here in California that wound up getting cancer. And that groundskeeper, of course, hired an attorney and wound up suing Monsanto. And they won a lawsuit, and the payout's going to be $289 million. And the reason why they sued them is because this guy was working with their Roundup and their basically a type of pesticide. It has something called glyphosate in it. And glyphosate's been shown as a carcinogen, and something that actually could possibly increase your risk of getting cancer, as well as actually stopping your gut or your microbiome or your microbes in your body from producing neurotransmitters for your brain. So hey, there might be some truth to this. this is just my theory right now, but maybe this will be proven at some point. Maybe this is a big cause of a lot of our depression and our anxiety right now that we have in this country, because of some of the foods that we're eating that are contaminated with these carcinogens that are causing our body not to work efficiently. But that's number 2. Number 3, I'm gonna go to the pharmaceutical industry. Bayer, who of course does Bayer aspirin, all kinds of different things, but they just bought Monsanto. And let me tell you a little bit about Bayer. Way back in the day, they used to actually make the ovens to melt the Jews back during Nazi Hitler's reign in Germany. And I really have no trust in Bayer for doing the right thing for anybody. If they're gonna buy a company like Monsanto with all the bullshit that's going on with them and providing these pesticides and other products that are unhealthy for any human exposure, I don't think they deserve any trust by anyone. And I want to pay for one product that comes from that company. But anyways, just want to rant and rave a little bit about how I believe that right now this country is not out for your best interest, and you have to be out for your best interest by taking care of yourself, eating right, exercising, meditating, and doing all the right healthy lifestyle factors to keep healthy and stay in an optimal level. Anyways, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to hear more, please subscribe. If you have any questions, please ask me, and please leave a comment below. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.